In the magical land of toys, there lived a lively excavator named Excavaroo. Every morning, when parents embarked on their grown-up adventures, Excavaroo came to life. Only the children could see and hear the animated toy. And in the absence of parents, Excavaroo woke up all the other toys for a daily playground extravaganza. One bright morning, as the toy parents set off, Excavaroo gathered its friends for a new adventure. Paper plane precision pilots. Assemble, it declared. And with a wave of excitement, the playroom transformed into a world of colourful paper planes. Red plane, blue plane, green plane, fold, Excavaroo guided, turning the folding process into a vibrant lesson in colours. Each paper plane became a canvas of hues, creating a rainbow of flying possibilities. With the paper planes ready, the challenge began. Excavaroo set up hoops and obstacles around the room, turning the playroom into an aerial obstacle course. Through the red hoop, over the blue block, and land on the green target, it instructed, making the flying competition a thrilling adventure of precision. As the paper planes soared through the air, a catchy twist unfolded. A gentle breeze blew into the playroom, turning the flight path into a whimsical dance. Excavaroo, ever adaptable, embraced the twist, turning it into a game. Navigate the breeze, my friends, it cheered, making the flying competition an educational experience in adaptability and resilience. 3 points for the red target, 2 points for the blue, and 1 point for the green. Excavaroo counted, turning the precision flying into an engaging lesson in numbers. The playroom echoed with laughter as the paper planes glided and twirled, earning points for their skillful landings. Just when the toy aviators thought the adventure was over, a surprise awaited. A giant paper plane, big enough for all the toys to ride, appeared. Excavaroo, quick to seize the opportunity, turned it into a grand finale. "Board the giant rainbow plane, my friends!" it exclaimed, making the final ride a joyous celebration of teamwork. The giant paper plane, carrying all the toy pilots, soared through the playroom, creating a mesmerizing display of colors and numbers. The toy parents returned, and the aerial adventure became a treasured memory of paper plane, precision pilots. A tale of colors, numbers, and the magic of paper planes dancing through the air in the toy-filled playroom.